thing. We'll see. I mean, the range is really ugly, and I don't like what's going on from the left-hand side. From the left-hand side on the 4-hour candles here is ugly. Give me 1 second. Let me delete these drawings in here. When you look left, first of all, the volume for the daily is roughly trading as right now, roughly trading from the almost 60 pips where New York closed on Friday. So overall, the idea is that the carryover for the orders happens on the Sunday afternoon to Monday morning. The idea is simple, look for pullbacks, look for healthy information support, and let's go for an upside move. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna start recording here.
Recording in progress.
So good morning, everyone. Jay, good morning. Recording here. Yeah, thank you, Lan Carlos. Jonah, morning, hermano. Ahmed, everybody. So the idea is quite simple for today. The idea is looking for buys, technically. The carryover for the orders from Friday New York session tends to happen Sunday afternoon to Monday morning. So the idea is quite simple. The daily here hasn't delivered much volume. This is the only tricky situation here. I don't want to be stuck in a 200 pip range. Remember the one that we had on Thursday here? Another 200 pip candle. So I don't want to be breakout trader so easily here. The information I had before was kind of the healthiest one. After a breakout, little bit of a range, that pullback to that 55 major, not major kilo, but we can use that 55 as a major kilo based on how prices tend to reject those areas. So the idea is look for continuation of this London, and all you need in total honesty is either having momentum, you want to attack the high of that candle there, having enough momentum to the upside, clean candles, 5 minutes, beautiful, clean and easy, and the body of the candle that can close above that 7.5, let's say. Remember what happened on the Thursday session. We wanted to force it below the 30 in this area here. And price was like, nope, don't tease me, don't try me. It was showing after the news on 9 a.m. It was looking really, really, really nice for that move to the upside. Never happened. And I think we tried forcing the high of this candle here. If New York was a little bit of a range, was a hell of a business trying to be breakout trader, the same scenario can happen today. Like trying to be breakout trader here when the volume is really small. I don't like that idea. I'm not so easy convinced to be breakout trader. The only option kind of we had earlier on was this one right here, for example. This is a clean move, healthy, really nice and strong. Overall, you don't need to trade the last 10 minutes of the hourly candle there, but you can wait for something that can close bullish, a body here. And at that point, you know that from here, for example, all you have to do is wait for the body of the candle closing outside this area, target 50, target 100 pips, 75, 50, 75, or 100 pips. And if market deliver more than 50 pips and gives you a body of the candle closing above the 33.80, then you increase the target to 75, to 100 pips, and 125. But the zone that we're trading here from the left-hand side, I don't like it at all. The 4-hour candles really ugly. The way that 4-hour candles are, behaving in here, a hell of a business trying to be a breakout trader here. From previous data, this area here, for example, coming from the major kilo, right? This is your 70, and outside that 70 we have the 80. So look at the zone that we're trading. If we want to trade in this area here, we need to be very careful because price can plain and simple give us monster reaction. Look, let's pay attention. This 70, right? That's roughly the kilo. Look what happened to the downside, to that 50, to the major kilo. Look what happened here to this 80, which is the target that we're looking for. It's dangerous. You need healthy information. You don't need to see the 4-hour candle driving, and in 1 hour and 30-minute candle having massive cash out. So I don't like this kind of behavior. I don't like it. If I'm going to do something about it, it's because I have heavy information. From the left-hand side, it's ugly, like really, really ugly, the zone we're trading. So we know that either we're going to need to wait for those 5-minute candles that are really nice and easy, like the ones we had here, and a plain and simple breakout for correction, right? Because market is probabilities for correction in price and price making his way to the downside, where is technically my secondary structure. Is really ugly and is really annoying. But this area here, that's 65. This is my secondary support. So if we have a bearish close below this area here, then more than likely the pullback that makes sense is 67, or even any resistance confirmation that may be sitting here. And from here, a break of that low can give you a correction to the daily low and a body of the candle that's not respecting that 50. We're gonna come back to that previous reaction that we have from the left-hand side on the 4-hour candles. So if this is the scenario toward this area here to that reaction, we may stay in this silly ass range, 200, 220 pips for today, and that's gonna be it. You know, today the day don't look like an easy one for breakout trades. So we'll see. As right now, it's really early to say, you know, where the volume can go with the New York Open. We have to wait for that New York session to tell the story. At least, you know, having clean candles. Yeah. So we'll see. Christian, good morning. Mohammed, good morning. Osama, good morning, brother. Oh, you're learning Spanish, Osama. Bean, yeah, very nice, Bean. Very nice. So yeah, that's the tricky situation here. Having enough volume, enough clean volume here. For the reaction, you know, look how long it took for this. So don't get desperate today, you know, to consider a trade because it's only Monday. Look at this silly ass range. 50, if you consider the top of this area here is a 70 pip range, and look how long it took for this price, you know, to break out. Almost, I would say like 5 hours from this area here to that breakout. 5 hours, you know, silly 70 pip range. You don't need to be trapping this area here, let's say, including the fake out, like 100 pips in here. 5 hours and trying to be breakout trader, not so simple. So we'll see. We'll see what happened today. Ethan, morning, fuck you ho. So yeah, we'll see. Oh, yeah. Anybody in a current trade? And I hope I don't lose you. Asif, good morning. Yeah. Please stay. Give me 1 second here. Where's the daily outlooks here? In Gucci for a possible continuation to this area 3450 here, we're roughly 1,000 pips. So for the weekly candle, this can be your target, like 1,000 pip candle there. We have a hill, so and then we can trade to the downside. We can trade the previous breakout, can be pretty much it for a brand new daily candle pullback. From this area here, everybody knows that the 55, not just the 33.55, but this is the daily outlook from yesterday, by the way. 55 level can be used as a form of fake out coming from the kilo, meaning that if price already created, right? The 50 here, this is your 50. If price created a break outside that 55, the 55 is going to be your support zone for that move to the upside. So that was from the yesterday session, right? Price closed somewhere here. That was the close from Friday. So if price is closing in that area and this is your 55, this is your support zone. No matter what, you know, oh yeah, price is open with the gap, the lever, whatever. But you know that the pullback that makes sense is that 55 based on the experience we have dealing with this kilo and dealing with the structure in the market. So it was okay to believe that this is going to be it. But if you, let's say you take a buy from that area there and you're going to be sitting on your computer, you know, not being able to see, let's say 50, 100 pips in volume, imagine being trapped 5 hours of your day for 40, for 50 pips, or maybe even getting stopped out there because price is not going anywhere. But this is what you want to see. When price is coming to that level, you want to see reactions, like a healthy reaction. And once the reaction happens, you know that you're ready to go. And that was technically the the only level to consider some sort of a healthy buys, let's say. Now we have the key level here. Still makes sense for price to drop to the key level, fake out the major key level 33.50, brand new close above that 55. You can see a pretty decent move to the upside, and that's going to be your job to look for continuation after the retest to the major key level here happens. And then once we have a brand new support being established at 55 or even 57 in the lower time frame, that's the idea here. That's plain and simple, looking for a continuation to the upside. Price are ready, and this is why it's gonna be a tricky one. And I'm not married to anything in here. I know that anything can happen, in total honesty, because I have this key level here. But we're gonna plan for a bullish bias still, especially at market open, because the carryover for the orders happens on the afternoon to Monday morning. So if the bullish candle from Friday can give us more volume, it's gonna be a bullish volume, and that's the continuation of the weekly, and so on and so on. So here is why it's a little bit tricky. See how price pushed to this area, created that pullback. A lot of pullbacks, and algorithms having fun there. Whoever wanted to sell near to that low is getting punished. Get ready. Now this
for
level
Monday
managed
session.
to deliver
Going live on
130
YouTube.
pips in volume.
Join the conversation.
Price from here already rejected and corrected most of this move, that 50% of that move. Now, if price is trading in that 55 zone, be careful, because that 55 can easily give you a goat shit behavior, like price going here, price going there, not finding anything outside this area here other than ranging in a 100 pip move to the 33.60. But your best bet is if overnight, if market...
The 33.60, that was the ideal range. Now, that goat shit range can easily start happening in this area here. So now you have a 100 pip range playing in this area. Therefore, look what happened here. This can be considered...
Muted.
You're in mute, man.
Oh, my bad. So now we are in the 100 pip range, but on top of that 60. So what we want to see here is fake outs coming from that 60. Yeah, this close is beautiful. The close, I'm not gonna lie, the close is beautiful. What is the problem here for me to be breakout trader selling the close below what I can consider a secondary structure? That I know that I'm being a breakout trader on a 100 pip range, something that can give me 10, 20 pips to the downside, and then closing immediately in the range. And look at the timing. The time New York just started right now. So why this move happening too early in the session? This is like being a breakout trader below the daily low at the very beginning of New York. It's easier to have a fake out here than having a healthy move, let's say, to the downside. Because overall, at this point, what you're doing is trying to counter trend the daily candle here. So it's easier to wait for support confirmations, and then when we have that information, we go for it. But in this case, it's even if it's breaking now, I'm not gonna consider it. I'm gonna wait for the breakout, pull back, and I'm gonna be breakout trader later on if I have a retest of that low. Yeah. Apart from that, nothing. Yeah. And the idea is looking for buys, but freaking hell, the time is not there. No bueno for me. Anybody in sales or anything? Anybody buying the zone? Morning, John. Bobby Joe. Morning, Guntoro. Thank you, brother. Yep. Gonna wait. Morning, Mini Banks. How are you, brother? Good luck. You too, Mohammed. Hola, brother, Mohammed. Kemet, also from Jamaica. Very nice. Hello, Sleepless Dawn. K1 Daily. Good morning, everyone. Morning. Sales 3120. 3120. No. Well, no, not there yet. Hello, was 3361 a good entry on the 640 on the 6 hour 45 minutes? Any thought? 6501 at the 645. 6 hours and 45. I don't know where is this thing, to be honest. I wish you can, you send the chart and let me know where in this area. Yeah. Sell from 73 level. It's risky. Overall, it's risky. When you're trying to sell tops like this, you need to, be careful. Yeah, especially if you're telling me that you're selling this kind of a volume, like this volume here, I don't know. It's too delicate for me. Like when you have clean traffic, most of the times price will create little pullbacks to the major killer, like this 70 here, a brand new support confirmation from there, a brand new support, and then price can deliver volume to the upside. So it's not an easy. Selling gold is a pain. Yeah. Looking to target 60 or 55. Oh, I'm in sell from 73. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is the close on the Friday session technically. Or this area here. But if you wanna consider the gap, this is the zone. For me, the pullback that makes sense today, the drop that makes sense for me today is not major than this candle here. Yeah. But price already created the close. What we need here is a little pullback and then a brand new close below this area, and then we can attack this level to that 55 or even to that 50. Yeah. Morning, Samad. Morning. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you. Gone. Yeah, right there. This is good. 10. Yeah. Please stay. It's really early in the session to give it a try here. We are roughly 30 seconds more for this candle to create a fake out. Yeah. So
Are you planning to buy or sell?
buys. Sells not with
To
this
fake
behavior.
out? Okay.
Yeah.
So fake out and then you buy.
Correct.
All
Yeah,
right.
with this kind of behavior, no way. Like if this is kind of the scenario for me, like going short, no. I have little to no room to trade here, to be this kind of aggressive. So for me, if price gives me that breakout, if price push to that 70, yeah, you can give it a try here because you know that 70 there can give you the 60 and can give you that 50 overall. But this first batch of orders, we're gonna need a hell of a momentum here. It's easier to have a fake out from this zone. Yeah. So we'll see. It's too early to go for it.
Yeah.
Especially as breakout trader. For sales, I don't like it. Yeah. If the sales happen that clean, that easy, then I'm gonna let it go.
Jose, good morning, brother. Broker, the weekend was good, brother. Was great. What do you think? COMEX 3361, 60. Yeah, I mean, this low. Yeah, this low. If it wasn't because it's Monday, I'd be more aggressive. Like playing with house money, with profits from the week, I'd be aggressive, buying this on and maybe risking the low of this support candle here. But it's only Monday. So I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna relax, I'm gonna wait for a proper setup to try. Yeah. So I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you. All right. And let's see. The silence in the room makes me feel like somebody's already in vice. Maybe showing the underwear. Don't be shy.
So, Kerwin, are you still looking for the buy when it's even though making like that small pattern to the downside?
Yeah. This is perfectly fine. This is just the very beginning of the session. Overall, the New York, if it's in the favor of the London volume, the same 4-hour candle from London, that can give you, 20 pips, 30 pips. As right now, this is your session, this only like 46 pips. So let's say, right, let's paper trade this so you can see, yeah? Here's the thing, with low risk, let's say, you are a breakout trader because price is breaking that support candle there, you're risking this much, right? You're looking for, you're not here for a one-to-one risk to reward ratio, right? You're looking for something better than that. So you can say, well, what is the previous support zone? This one right here. You're gonna need to be very lucky, let's say, to have a clean move to the downside, risking this much. Let's say that you wanted to risk, I don't know, maybe 0.5%, maybe 0.3% of your account. For you to make 0.3% of your account, it will require to close everything somewhere here, right? And it's a high risk trade because when price is breaking, the first breakout from this zone in here can easily end as a fake out. So you're gonna need to secure everything here because if you secure 50% of your position, the pullback can be intense, take you out, and then you secure 50 here, and now you're getting stopped out here. You're plain and simple breaking a breakout trade, a break-even trade. I'm sorry. So technically, you're working for the broker. It's more the stress that you're putting on your trading career than the actual reward you're getting. If you're telling me, oh man, no, that's all right, I'll be okay to go for this kind of risk, I'm gonna go for this kind of thing, and I'll be okay to secure 50% when price is at 60. And once price is going 50%, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even, at least to end 0.10 or 0.25, depending the risk you're putting there, in case the price is pulling back. But for me, the moment I start doing something like this, I'm gonna need to be very lucky here. Yeah. Instead, wait for orders to be picked up, fake outs, and then look for the bigger picture, because this picture here is not so easy. But what if? Yeah.
what if we manage to have a healthy bullish close inside this zone from that fake out, whatever, and then we aim for greatness. We aim for the bigger picture. You decide. You want to be breakout trader, risking too many pips in there, and being kind of okay to take everything off the table, or wait for the fake out in the same direction of the daily candle, in the same direction of the 4-hour candle from London, and then go for the maximum reward ratio. So this is the problem. Yeah, this is something I don't like. Like, for me, being breakout trader for 10, for 20 pips, that's not for me. That's, just desperate to make money. I wait. I'm going to see if I can see something that I like, and then I'm going to give it a try. Oh, I got stopped out, let's say, because I wanted to see a move to the upside. And let's say I waited for something that can close bullish inside that area. I was risking technically the 30 pips in there, and I was looking for something like this. Oh, I got stopped out by, waiting for price to come this low. That's perfectly fine. I know the probabilities for me waiting for this setup is higher than getting stopped out, than feeding the market on a daily basis. And I'm looking for the bigger picture. I'm training my eyes to see what most people don't see. And this is what, this is what matters to me. Where the bigger reward ratio is. Oh, that doesn't mean it's going to be an easy sailing. Price can go here. Price can go there and fake you out and stop you out. But the chances are really, really good. The price continuation to the upside, let's say. Because you're following the daily. Because you're following the 4-hour candle. But that's the problem. For me, being breakout trader, just because price is leaving, maybe for the breakout traders, if you're happy with 10 pips, yeah, you can do it. But 10 pips is something that I can be taking a dump on the toilet and I can make a 10 pip trade. I don't care. But for me to train my eyes and to tell you guys the story of behind every candle and behind the market moves is aiming for greatness. Not looking for 10 pips, not looking for 20 pips. Yeah. I'm pretty sure most of you guys can do better than 10 pips in the market. Yeah. Imagine if you are, let's say, breakout trader, right? That you are in a sell, let's say, from here, at the break of the candle, being aggressive, something like this, and you're looking for the 60, because the 60 is the one that can give you kind of a hit and a fake out. Now price back to the entry point. You know that you're counter trending the 4-hour candle from London. You know that you're counter trending the daily candle. In matter of a second, in a split of a minute, if you move the stop loss BE there and you didn't secure anything there at 20 pips or whatever, then you're gonna get stopped out and you're gonna be scared because your counter trending is like walking, with bare feet on shattered glass. So it's the feeling is not good. Yeah. Buys with me. Good luck, kid. Yeah, Saf, good morning. So that's why. I know most people see the 30-minute candles there, and they're kind of, the close happened, the pullback is there, so I'm going to be breakout trader. But you're counter-trending. Try this scenario. Try it when we're in the direction of the bigger picture. Most people don't say that. Most people will tell you, just be breakout trader, right? No matter if the daily... All right. No, don't matter if the daily is a bullish candle, and you have a bearish candle here, a 30-minute candle. Don't worry. Just wait for the pullback and be breakout trader. Most of the time, that 30-minute candle against the bigger picture, that 30-minute candle can give you 10, 20 pips in here, and it's closing like a reaction from the downside. Let's say you just being breakout trader from here to here for nothing. What if you try to understand the behavior below that candle there, expecting that a new 30-minute candle will do something like this. And then you're trading from the best load possible for the session in the direction of the daily, because at that point, a new daily will try to deliver. For you, if I was you, if I was your enemy, I'll tell you, sell the 30-minute candle low. Don't worry about how the daily close from Friday. Just sell the low because that will give you 10 pips or 20 pips. No, I'm not there yet. To give you that bad advice. If I hate you, maybe. Yeah. But if I love you, I'll tell you, hey, don't do stupid stuff in there. Don't be breakout trader. Don't be silly. Don't be a dummy. Just look at the bigger picture. And if the daily from Friday close healthy bullish, and London candle close bullish, don't try to counter trend to that candle. If you have to do it, it's because you had a pretty decent entry, you had a pretty decent pullback to a previous structure there, and then you're from the very nice standpoint. But if you're a breakout trader, no. Hell no. No.
Now, just one question, because I did a paper trade with this. I mean, I didn't enter at all. But what I was thinking was like entering like right here at the break of that second
Okay.
bearish candle.
Uh-huh.
Probably entering like at this retest over here,
Uh-huh.
and it would have came out good, right? But I just want to see your thought on that, if it would be too risky or not.
It's a hell of a risky trade. First, because you're trading in the last 10 minutes of the hour. At that point, it's really hard to find a healthy information, like a healthy continuation. Like, what are the odds that you're going to enter in the last 10 minutes, right? For a short position, let's say below that candle there. Risking, I don't know, maybe you're risking the 20. The stop loss don't matter. You know, as long you're feeling okay risking the high of that candle, and if you're looking for this kind of move, that's perfectly fine. You know, the stop loss is just to have an idea if it's worth it or no. But you're
I thought of risking the top of that candle, like 20 pips around that, and looking for the low, which would have been like around a 1-to-1, but
yeah.
So
but the timing is not
of the last 10 minutes. That part, it's
the time is not the best one. If you put that thing on a simulation, you're not gonna succeed so easily there. You know, it's not a high probability. Look, here comes comics. Here comes comics. 34. Okay, very nice. Mini, are you gonna pull the trigger now, Mini? This is where the volume was left on Friday. And this is your cap. Yeah. I'm telling you, because it's Monday evening, I'll be a little bit aggressive here. So yeah, this one right here is very dangerous in the sense that the trading the last 10 minutes of the hour is very difficult.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
No problem, hermano. Please, the last 2 minutes. Okay, I was thinking the same. I was thinking like if I can buy the last 2 minutes of this candle. Yeah. But it's risky in the sense that it's only Monday. Yeah, you don't need to start with a risky trade on a Monday morning. Yeah. I want you, I need you. Please stay. 79. Yeah. 58. I hope I don't lose you. At this point, kind of my best bet is wait for either a bullish close inside that zone, or after the drop and whatever, find a bullish close outside this area here, pull back, and a breakout. Playing the zone, you know. Yeah, and from here you can target at that 71.8, somewhere there. But I need to find exhaustion here. Last 2 minutes. All right. It's 18 pipas. It's not bad. I want you, I need you. Ay, lasaña. La va a tirar, mamá. Didn't execute. Execute no hype. Good. Good idea. Good idea. If they're gonna fake out something, that 55. I'm gonna try to do something stupid here. That 55, 55.5. This is the last reaction, and this is my support confirmation. So I'm gonna try to go for this one right here. Yeah. First 1 minute. Need to see that first 1 minute dropping. That candle there is. I was expecting this candle to deliver 75 here. Yeah, complete the 75, baby girl. Come here to Papi. I'm gonna try to enter here. I'm gonna give it a try with half risk. You know. Yep. Yeah, if I cannot survive, it's the low of that candle there. So we can enter 56 somewhere here. Yeah, that 56. And I'm gonna reach that 54 flat. For now. 54 flat. I need this 1 minute break in the low. Because if this candle respect the low and then break the high, then it was a fake out for the commodity exchange open. Yeah. Vamos, mi amor.
Good morning, Kerwin.
Morning, Elias. How are you, hermano?
Good, man. I actually got in.
Oh, already?
Just now when you were talking about getting in, yeah.
Okay.
I know it might be a little early, but
That's all right. Only two
33,
things will happen
58.
Yeah, only two things will happen. They will try to break the COMEX low and go for a little bit of a better price, even lower than the COMEX, and fake out that 56 zone.
Oh my goodness. So last night I put a pending order and I went to sleep. And I put a pending order at 33.53.40. And price came right to it. It didn't trigger my order and it went up.
Oh boy.
Oh, that would have been a nice one, but
yeah, man. All right, my childrens. I don't do this. You see that reaction, silly reaction. Come on, you can do better in life, baby. You can go a little bit lower, mommy. Come on. They already retested and rejected that previous support confirmation, mate. I was expecting more volume to kick in here below that zone. Whatever. Yeah, she's gonna come back soon. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. We don't have news today. 30-minute candle is coming in play. We can do something stupid here as well to buy the last 2 minutes of this candle here for the 30-minute candle. Man, but I'm not getting the entry I want, to be honest. Best entry I want is this area here. Yeah. Okay, last 2 minutes. Come here, mi amor, come here. You can do it. You can make it to that 56, mi amor. Come on. Don't be shy, baby. Don't be shy. I know you can do it, my love. I know you can do it, baby. Yeah. Oh, man. Come on. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. That's only 150 pips up. Please. Baby, por favor, baby. Drop, mi amor. Is anybody, well, apart from Elias, is anybody in? This baby looks like she already faked out the London, the COMEX low. So we probably don't need to buy this low. Yeah, we don't need to buy this low. 48 seconds. Come on, baby. A little bit lower, baby girl. Little bit lower. Drop. Yeah, she's not gonna give me the entry, hermanos. Sadly, I'm not gonna jump here with FOMO. Hypothesis above 60 cost. Oh, okay. Yeah, because at this point, with this kind of COMEX, and now this candle breaking the COMEX low, if a brand new candle break this low, is a brand new setup. So, man, if you want to consider it, do it. For me, I'm going to wait for a bullish close above this area now. Yeah. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Can the 1 minute pull the trigger here? Yeah. Are you gonna do it, baby? Man, I'm gonna have to do this shit. Go low risk. If you're gonna go for this one right here, go low risk. A la 1, a la 2, a la break a little bit more. Ay, pucha, come on. Come on, you can do better in life. Okay, my childrens, wish me luck. Wish me luck. I'm gonna risk here. Yeah, I'm risking 24 pips. 24 pips. Yeah. Gonna risk that last confirmation of support low here. Yeah. So wish me luck. Don't break the 1 minute low. Don't break that 1 minute low. That 55.5 need to be rejected. And right there. That's technically the best entry I could have got. But no, was hesitating too much. So time to push. That's the 55.5. Yeah, that's good. And that's a good area there. So we need to see the reaction from now on. This is it. Either black or white. If price break that low, don't force it. You see how price is hesitating to reject? That's no bueno. That's not good. Yeah. Come on. Reject. Push now. Last 1 minute. And in the last two, no matter what happened in that thing, and I'm about to get to that. If that thing is not rejecting, then what we need to understand is that we're gonna get, in a silly ass range again, because market can break the low, push, and come back and have you here for another long period of time. So we need to see this candle here in the next 30 seconds, breaking its own high, going for this high, and rejecting this low. Yeah, I'm sitting here on a 14 pips drag down. It's last 20 seconds here. Yeah, push. Come on. Get out. 13. You know what? I can close 50% in minor drag down and consider this like a 12, 15 pip loss if I get stopped out. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm sitting here on a 16 pip drag down. Okay. I close 50% now. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna see if I can survive the last 2 minutes. Yeah, because this candle breaking its own low in the last 2 minutes is gonna be a painful job, And I don't want to start my Monday with a huge loss. Yeah. So at this point, we need to see this candle picking volume. And going at least to that 65 for the rest of for this current 4-hour candle. Then a new 4-hour candle pull back to that 60, and we should be fine to look for the continuation with the new 4-hour candle. Go. It was hesitating to deliver that volume there, and I know this range is ugly, so can have me here for a long period of time. Femi, welcome to the bright side of trading. Yeah. Push. Don't be shy, mommy. You can do good things in life, baby girl. Get out the way. Get out the way, Bex. Get out the way. Yeah, you see. Back to 12 pips in profits. Whatever. All right. Since the low of that candle here is technically the stop loss, you can leave it there. Or if you see that a first 1 minute break more than this support candle here, you can take a minor loss here. Yeah, that's where I close 50%. So I'm gonna let it go like this. Still, I'm securing some half of 30. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's all right, Mini. Yeah. If this is a valid reaction, price needs to respect this the low. But if this is not a valid reaction, the first 1 minute is gonna give you entire quick fill to the downside, and then you know the momentum still there. Yeah. And it's about to hit me out. It stopped me out. Yeah, got stopped out, hermanos. The spread opened a little bit more than expected here. What the hell happened here? We didn't have news at this time. We didn't have news. Well. That's all right. If you guys still holding, that's cool. Aggressive because this kind of quick fill completely there. So whatever. We will see.
No, I closed.
Yeah, it's fishy, no? It's fishy.
Should have went up already. If it's going that way.
Correct. Yeah. It's fishy because the zone is getting retested with the first 1 minute of this 5, so that means the momentum is there. That's okay. Um, 53. The 53 is the next zone for the reaction. That's okay. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Yeah. When those candles close like a reaction and you have the next 1 minute weak filling completely, that means the momentum is there. What makes dangerous this trade here is the zone that we're trading. Like easily they can fake out for little to none and then push again, but this is not worth it to risk, let's say 30 or more than 25 pips is not worth it. So it's crazy. It's crazy. Wherever, baby. Koch buying 51. It will be 20 pips daily low. I mean, but look at the momentum. If the momentum is there, you don't want to force it like for buys. Yeah. If you want to give it a try, give it a try. But when I see momentum, the worst thing I can do is trying to place my orders, against that healthy momentum. Yeah. No bueno, hermano. No bueno. They left volume here on Friday. Let's say this is your volume from Friday, 30 to that 50, 51. But the momentum is good. I don't like the idea of going for buys again in this area here. Nothing. Yeah. 20 pips below that daily low. 20, it's 51. So what if price only deliver 15? Yeah, 52. That 52 can be the reaction. Yeah. I want you, I need you.
Why are you guys so stubborn with the buying?
Because the daily from Friday was a bullish candle. I know for many people here it may sound really dangerous and crazy, but that's why. Especially breakout traders, selling gold is not an easy task. This sell-off is nice, don't get me wrong, but that's why we have a stop loss. Not that I took a loss, right there. I'm not gonna try to buy again. I'm not gonna try to buy again. It was a good to try, because then you're looking for a big, nice picture. But if it's not happening, then whatever. Just let it go, let it go, let it go. We have to understand that we already missed the move to the downside, and at this point, the worst thing I can have here is FOMO, saying, "Oh, I got stopped out and buys, I'm gonna sell now." No, fuck no. Yeah. So nothing. That's the worst thing I can do, to feel FOMO here.
Yeah, now it's like catching a knife every time.
No, yeah, definitely. And the momentum is strong. Like when I saw that candle, weak feeling, the reaction candle, it's like, bro, the momentum is there. It's really strong. This thing can easily go 45, 40, who knows, you know? So it's not worth it to force it. It's not worth it. Yeah, you have key levels here and there. In areas that algorithmic, you know they can reject easily. But when the momentum is there, you don't want to be, placing a order against the momentum. Yeah. Nice try daily basis. We do the same over and over again. Yeah. Yeah. And most of the times they can go, the algorithmic, they can go daily low, 15, 20 pips, whatever, or even 50 pips, 75 pips below London. But at this point, with this kind of candle, I have zero business buying here. Nothing. But at the same time, I have zero business having FOMO selling the daily low or selling this low. Nothing. Whatever, it's time to wait and see if we can get something later on. Morning, Antonio. How are you, brother? Yeah. I want you, I need you, God, please. Oh, good, brother. All Gucci. For me, slow Monday morning volume with no news. Yeah, it's pretty small, pretty slow volume. The daily only 200 pips, so only this can be the breakout and price can go 100 pips extra, no? To give the 300 pips on the daily. Yeah. I want you, I need you.
Kerwin,
Sí, señor.
buen día amigo, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, hermano, ¿y vos?
¿Todo bien? Solo para contarte cómo va mi progreso.
Ajá.
Mirá, la velita para vos de las 7:20 de la mañana, 5 minutos.
7:20 de la mañana. 7:20. 7:20. 7:30. 7:20.
Esa.
Esta, ajá.
Ajá, justo compré ahí arriba.
Compraste esta de ahí.
Cuando le hizo el quiebre
Ay,
cuando le hice el quiebre a la
a la
vela
bullish.
esa,
Ajá.
ahí dije, bueno,
Oh, shit.
se va ahí.
Ajá.
Dije, se va para arriba,
Se
vamos,
va a volar.
subamos.
Y se voló para abajo.
No,
Cojones.
por eso yo te quería contar cómo va mi progreso,
Si,
una genialidad.
si dieran un premio para cachar el alto más alto, ahí lo ha ganado, ¿no?
Exactamente.
Oh, my. Oh, boy.
Bueno, era el low risk.
Ah, ok. Qué cagada.
No pasa nada, amigo.
Ya, no pasa nada.
Es parte del proceso, como decís vos siempre.
Sí, claro. Claro. Así mismo es, brother. Ay, ay, ay. Sí.
Pero me había dado bien porque hizo el retroceso de 1 minuto la vela.
Oh. Esta de aquí te lo hizo
Retrocedió
bien.
en el 1 minuto, sí lo hizo.
Déjame ver. Hizo el pullback.
Ahí
Ajá.
chiquito.
Ah, ok.
¿Eh?
Solo
Lo hizo
entraste a la
chiquito.
ruptura de esa.
Claro. Y
Uf,
ahí,
right
mira,
there, bro.
iba
Qué
bien. Chao.
locura, man. Qué puta locura.
Y bueno.
Yeah. The Fed. Ah, okay. News from the Fed. No wonder. No wonder this baby girl wants to do some backflips in here. Yeah. Yes, check your DMs, Femi. I DM you in Slack already. Oh, boy.
Se puso feo todo, ¿eh? De golpe.
De golpe, mucho momentum.
Horrible.
Ya, mucho momentum. Y ahora es a ver qué podemos agarrar más tarde, porque ya habrá, si quieren vender, habrá que esperar un pullback que haga una resistencia nueva y poder vender. Y si queremos comprar, puta, hay que esperar a que el precio se meta primero que nada dentro de 55 y que empiece a dar momentum. O por lo menos que te haga un mirroring de esta vela y cierre bullish aquí. If that's the case, yeah, you can try.
El 350 si lo respeta, si lo empieza a romper.
Sí, exacto. El nivel, el 50 es fuerte, pero es delicado quererlo comprar así, está fishy. I have no business to buy that 50 as right now. And I hate when price go healthy, create that little pause in the market. It's not a just bounce from the kilo. So I have no business buying the actual kilo there. Whatever, I'm gonna wait. I have plenty of time. I have a whole week, whole week of trading ahead. I don't need to, go crazy today. Morning, Marco. How are you, hermano?
Good morning, hermano.
Good morning, my brother. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh, Gucci, mate.
Did you have a nice weekend?
Yes, brother, I did. I had a really, really nice weekend.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Man, what's happening with gold?
Yes.
Freaking dropping like a no man's land, right?
Yeah, very dangerous, bro. Very dangerous.
Did you manage to get in?
I got in earlier on here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but got stopped out already, so whatever.
Got in buys or sells?
I got in buys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good area. Makes sense.
Yeah. I was looking for that reaction like a fake out from comics, but when that candle, was hesitating, had me there like 15 pips in drag down, was not looking good. I closed 50 and I got stopped out completely after that candle wick filled completely there.
Yeah.
But that's all right. It's just Monday.
We get it back. Don't worry.
Yeah, definitely. That's the thing. When you take a, let's say, 15, 20 pip loss, 25 pip loss, you can make it back easily. Now start going, crazy there, risking 50, 100 pips, and then you, in the first day of the week, you are 100 pips in drag down, you're gonna suffer for the rest of the week.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna regret of going aggressive on a Monday morning.
And it's damaging your psychology as well.
Exactly.
It's just 50, 100 pips drag down is way too much to recover.
Yeah, no, it's too much. Too much, hermano. Too much.
Good morning.
Morning, Mansoor. How are you, hermano?
Alhamdulillah. Kifak, hermano.
Very nice.
Tamam, ente. Kolo tamam.
¿Está bien?
Kolo tamam. Yani, everything is okay?
Yes, everything is okay. Está bien means it's okay. I'm good.
Está bien.
Yes.
Okay. Now I have to buy this or translator to put it here because mostly people are speaking Spanish, right?
Yeah. Spanish. And if you learn Spanish, you probably, manage to get a very nice Spanish girl, like a Latina.
Oh, really?
I know you're not in the look for it, but yeah. Just because you can get one. Latina.
Oh.
Latina, baby. Yes.
Latina, baby.
Yes.
Okay, great. So then I'll go to start.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Latina son fuego. Yeah. Latina can make you happy, but the Latina can have you in drag down really quick, easy. Once you meet Latinas, you can go and drag down really easy. You can blow your entire savings account.
Okay.
Yeah, very careful.
Nothing more true than that, man.
It is a normal woman's nature.
Yeah.
And not only one. Yeah, it is everywhere.
It's not only Latinas, you think so?
Yes, it is not all Latinas.
Oh. Because Latinas are fired, though. For real.
Yeah. All the babies are fired. But
Yeah.
when they become a wife, then it's okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Before the wife, yes. It is in a 4 hours area, right?
Yes.
Here you are looking rejection from 49.
I was looking for reaction from this 56, 57 area. It's not happening. So at this point, with this kind of close, the only thing we can do, like something aggressive, is gonna be buying 75 below London. But with this kind of momentum, I don't wanna be forcing buys here. Plain and simple, nothing. Where's that 50 below London? That's a 53. So this is roughly that 40. 50 is a 48. 48 somewhere here. But I don't like the momentum is good, so I don't want to be with one candle driving price, heavy in one swift move. Yeah, you can try to catch that knife with bare hands. But if price is creating that structure there, no. At this point is I missed the move to the downside. I'm gonna wait and see if I can do something later on. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can buy possibly the 200 pips below London. Because I don't think with this momentum, 100 pips is enough.
Yeah.
Maybe we get a rejection at 46, but that's if it doesn't stop there, I think we go to 200 pips below London.
Okay. Sounds like a good idea.
The only scary things we have 50% of daily and weekly. I'm gonna tell you where it is exactly. It's on CFT. It's around 25.
25, so it must be 35 on
No, 25 on CFT basically.
Oh, 25 on CFT. Wow, it's way too low here.
Yeah, that's what I'm a little bit concerned.
Yeah.
With this momentum, if you're going down, I don't know.
45 is 300 for daily. 100 below London is 4. Okay. That's good, 45. This is 40. So 50 is 48. Let's see, 48. This is your 48. What I don't like is that market is creating a structure to the downside. So it's not so simple like buying that low just because it's 50 below London. So far, this is technically the absolute low, a high. 250. Still little volume, bro. This daily here is fishy as hell. This daily can easily become a fake out from here and a plain and simple idea. But you see, look, Kerwin, confirmation support 3347. 47. This one right here. We can try something stupid there then. For me, in total honesty, I'm not gonna be chasing something. I'm not gonna be chasing a loss by buying here, buying here, buying. I'm gonna wait for a bullish close above this candle here, deleting all that information, and I'm gonna wait for a healthy breakout of whatever candle close inside. If not, it's silly to say, but what I need here at this point, less aggressive, not 50, not 75, not 100, not 125. I need 2 bullish candles. 2 bullish candles, the third candle pulling back a little bit and breaking the high of the second. That's the only, a high probability setup here will happen with 2 bullish candles. Something what we don't have here, That's gonna be the only option. I know that buying that 50, risking the 48, risking the 47, whatever the case is, can be a good one to try, but I'm not here to chase that thing. I don't want to take another loss just because I'm feeling lucky, No. I'm gonna wait. If because I'm waiting I miss the best entry, let it be. So be it. Yeah. But yeah, man. And the worst thing you can do as a trader, for real, is being breakout trader in the last 10 minutes of the hourly candle. Like if you're feeling FOMO, like price is gonna go lower and lower and lower, yeah, sure, can go. But wait for the pullback. wait for a brand new hourly candle to give you that information. Yeah. If for real we're going downtown, price have zero business having a bullish body above this candle here. Your pullbacks, 54, that can be your pullback. 55 can be the pullback. But don't if the moment you see a bullish close on top of the candle, that means the price already fake out that zone and it's gonna push pretty decent. So nothing. It's gonna be a waiting game. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's trading on that 52. So now the pullback is technically that 51.5. Break the high, and this candle will probably reverse in the last 5 minutes of the hour, leaving a lot of people crying in here for being breakout traded. But nah, till we get the setup, I'm gonna pull the trigger. I have no business buying gold here. Please stay. These beautiful things that I got. 1 minute, very nice. That daily is looking nasty. The 4-hour candle is looking hell of a 4-hour candle here. Yeah. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Look at that 4-hour. Karuka. Karuka. Ugly. What advice do you have on this? Nothing set on your hands as right now. Yeah. This candle can close bearish. A new candle can break, go mirror this volume here. But no pullback, no brand new structure there. No reason for me to be breakout trader below that 4-hour candle low. Yeah. So nothing. We wait. We're gonna have another setup for sure. No reason for us to, go jumping like crazy goats here trying to sell gold at this point. That's the worst thing we can do. Selling gold as right now. No FOMO. The hardest thing in trading is controlling the fear of missing out, controlling the emotions. Emotional trading can be very damaging because it will bring emotional damage to your account. So you don't need to do that. I love you.
Man, this is crazy.
Yeah. Mini wants to buy the support confirmation. No, Mini, 3047. But I don't have, I don't have any business buying this. I don't know. I don't like it as right now.
If this bearish candle don't manage to close below that bullish one, I think the 4-hour is gonna push up.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense.
At least to 55 to 60.
Yeah. But in total honesty, with this kind of behavior, I don't know. If you want to pull the trigger for buy as soon as the 4-hour candle open, that's all right. But for me, with this kind of behavior, we may see more of a continuation down. Not an easy one because the pullback can be intense. Look at the previous breakout, let's say from this candle here, when 7 pips and the pullback is 30. So I don't know. I'll wait. I will wait. No rush. Yeah. I took an early trade, 63. However, I was close too early. How do I overcome this? Secure partials. train your eyes to see something that is not there yet, but something that your analysis, will play out. Like this sell-off is quite interesting, having an easy sell-off. So very rare to have this kind of behavior. But sometimes when you close 50, 75, it's not the amount of money that you're going to make on the runner, but it's the amount of knowledge, the amount of information you can collect from the chart. So you say, even if it's a penny lot, 1 cent that you're running, it's not because you're going to make, let's say, in a 100 pip extra, you're going to make $10, not $10. No, it's not about that. It's that you're training your eyes to see something that is not in the chart yet, but yes, you are confident to hold the position to see it play out. Yeah. Yeah. Here comes the push, hermano.
Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. Leave it.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, this 47, I don't know.
Yeah, 100 pip completed.
From the low.
For me.
Oh, okay. 50, 60.
It's right there.
75.
Rejecting now.
75 is 46. 75 is 46. Let's see. Maybe Mini is correct. Mini, are you gonna consider it, mate? Are you in already? Or are you waiting on that 75? Like 46 and 46.5. Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm not gonna touch anything here. I'm gonna wait for a proper setup. And especially being breakout trader here is a no. La 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 la. Anytime getting in. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to say when you're gonna get in. Just keep an eye on it. If you like it, you go for it. Yeah. No rush. No rush, my brother. I want you, I need you, oh God. Oh, take 50. 50, the 50 was near that 48. 75. 46. Don't need to go to that 46. But let's see. Oh, the 50-minute candle has a really nice candle here. That's the healthiest candle closing above the kilo, Mini. Bro, your idea will probably pay out, man. I don't want to give FOMO anybody here. We can wait. But if Mini survive, that's gonna be a good one. This is a healthy candle here. So easily can play the whole range to that 55 again. Yeah. 11. Turn bullish now. Let's see how many pips you have to the low of that candle. That's 30 pips. Yeah, it's 40. Like 100 pip range from here, Mini. Yeah. For this area, 57. That's alright. That's okay. Breaks low, I will close half. Okay. I mean, at this point, if you're breaking the low of the candle, you can close the entire position, though. Because it can be damaging for the 4-hour candle. Volume can be very damaging. Yeah. You want to see this candle here closing bullish instead of bearish inside that zone. So you can't believe that this was a fake out for the 4-hour candle. Yeah. Once that bullish close happened, the damage was done. Hopefully that's the last low that we see for the session. And then I'm going to look for buys about that 56, 57. Yeah. To target 67 or even the daily high. I'm saving my bullets to see if I can have a proper setup here. You are probably like 30, 40 pips in profits already. Okay. If you can, you can hold. Oh, 40, very nice. If you can hold a little bit more and see if the new candle is gonna open with a gap up and then a push, a straight push, no pullbacks at all. If the pullback happens, the pullback, major pullback here can be the low of this area here. The low of this zone in here. This little zone. So that's the major pullback. So, yeah. 1 minute. From here, we probably need to see momentum there. Like 1 minute pullback, second 1 minute break, and so on and so on and so on. Closing 50. Okay. Good idea. It's not a bad idea. Since you're not in trade. No, the thing is I find really risky. I do like the 15-minute candle there to play the range on that 15. But I find it risky. Yeah. Yeah. Because what you need is to mirror this candle here, that huge bullish candle. This one. This is the healthiest close on that 50. So if we get the retest to that low, price reject, and you manage to be lucky enough to have this current 15-minute candle closing above that 50, then yeah, you should be fine. And this right there, where price is right now, that's technically the maximum pullback. Right there. Yeah. So if price pull back and break the low and the momentum continues, then that means that price, the 4-hour candle, will continue driving down. Therefore, no reason for you to force it. Like if I wanted to do something stupid, for example, it's after that huge close, trying to buy wherever I get here, and there, and risking the low of that candle there. But at this point for me, it's a no. Friday we were looking for that 47 buys. Yes, correct. Yeah, this candle here. This candle. This is the candle that I wanted to see Friday. Yeah. And then we left the streaming. Yeah. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take. Yeah. You see how that 4-hour candle retested that zone and retested its own opening? Now you need to see price trading away from that zone. Yeah. You should be good for now, Mini. 26 seconds left for that 5-minute candle there. Mandatory, will have to respect that low then. Let me remove these lines. Let me remove these lines so she can fly for Mini. Mini a la 1, Mini a la 2, Mini a la 3. Target the high of that candle, 57 Mini. I'm gonna wait for my proper close inside that zone, and then I'm gonna start looking for moves. Go for coffee will blast. All right, yeah, it's 9. It's already 9. I can go for a cup of coffee now to leave it alone and make sure that Mini is getting paid. The silence is huge right now. So more than likely, a lot of people jumped on buys in there. Yeah, they're scratching their heads like saying, "Oh man, Kerwin needs to go for a coffee now." Yeah.
I hesitated for 5 seconds, to be honest.
Oh yeah.
When I told you it's 100 pip, I was like itching to jump on it. Yeah.
Yeah. 40 pip is this in Monday. Yeah. At least you're not taking the loss that I took. You know?
But if you look at the 1 minute, we have a range, right? So that massive last 1 minute just went all the way up there.
This one?
And then, yeah.
Okay.
It went all the way up and then rejected it.
Mm.
So the new 5 minutes started to rejecting. And I don't like it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's wait. Have a cigarette.
Yeah.
I'll be back.
Yeah. 50, 50. 50, 50.5 or 50, 49. The 50.10. This is technically your 50. The 10. Yeah. 33.5. Mandatory? You don't need a body of a candle closing below that area. Once you get the body of the candle closing below that 50 and a new candle break that low, can go 50 pips more to the downside. So yeah, it's a major kill out here. Beautiful close. Beautiful close below the kill out. Let's see if this candle pull back in 1 minute and break the low, or this candle is gonna be just plain and simple another fake out coming from that kill out. It's been a hell of a contention here since Friday, no? Look at the Friday session. Holy. The only close you got was this one ended as a fake out. Now you have a brand new close below that kilo. No. This can give you like... I don't want to scare anybody here, but this one, if price goes 1 minute and the second 1 minute break, that can be 50 pips down. If not, that's going to be another fake out for that zone. Yeah. Okay. Bearish close. Yeah, he probably... you'll probably see another retest of that low. My stop loss is BE since... Okay. Since the close. Okay. Yeah. $50-minute candles about to close. NYSE is gonna tell the story here. Yeah. Take care, Fabian. See you, mi hermano. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Meaning you'll probably see another retest of that lower, man. Yeah. With that kind of close below the kilo, if price break that low, more than likely she's gonna go for that 45. That 45 here. London, that's 90, so London is 100. Yeah, 43. Not gonna jinx it. I'm gonna make a cup of coffee. I'm gonna try something stupid, maybe with the NYSE session. So yeah, I'll be back, hermanos. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna leave this thing on. Where is the thing? Right here. Yeah. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna leave the camera on in case somebody's asking for me. I'm not gonna be here. Pin drop silent. I'll coach. Yeah. I'll be back. Yep.
want you, I need you. Oh my goodness. Oh. All right. Mini, you still surviving, hermano?
Yes.
Okie dokie. Here comes the NYSE session soon. Well. Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, a little bit.
Yeah, okay. I'm still holding the runner.
Okay. You close 50, no? 50%?
Yeah, I closed 50%, 40 pips.
Okay. Sounds good, hermano. Yeah, sounds Gucci.
Hermano, una pregunta.
Dímelo, Cristian.
La siguiente, esta vez la H4 acaba de abrir.
Sí.
Donde cierre bullish podemos comprar.
Te
¿O te
diría
gustaría
que sí.
verla?
No, sí,
¿Sí?
te diría que si cierra, por ejemplo, un cierre para mí, un cierre arriba de este 20, déjame quitar esto aquí, es que esta mierda se mete aquí. Mira, un cierre dentro de esta zona, no importa el time frame que tenga, si es 4 horas, si es 1 hora, si es 5, 15 minutos, un cierre dentro de aquí ya debería de darte bullish bias. Si hay un cierre dentro de esta vela, esta fue el breakout. Un cierre dentro de esa vela, los pullbacks deberían de ser el soporte anterior. Pero habrá que ver si NYSE cierra dentro o se queda. Pues si no, esto va a ser un retest, como un breakout, un retest, y then se empieza a empujar hacia abajo.
Okay.
Pero si entra dentro de esta vela, ya sería, no importa si es 4 horas, 1 hora, lo que sea, ya hay que empezar a buscar compras.
Ok.
Ya. De lo contrario, esto solo es un pullback. Then breakout, pullback, and then drop more. But once price closes inside that breakout candle high, what makes sense is the price is gonna push. Yeah. That's the one I'm waiting though. Like I wanna see 2 bullish candles and be breakout trader on the second candle high, or look for a bullish close on top of that candle there and then look for buys. Yeah. NYSE is 10 minutes away. So, wait. Sounding far away, yeah. Yeah. Because this is the problem. When you're trading from here, you're trading the pullback toward this breakout. Only when you have a close inside is that you say, oh, okay, the continuation up makes sense now. But if not, there's gonna be a pullback and then continuation down. Sounding far away, yeah. Please.
Hermano.
Yes, sir.
Can you look at 15 minutes, please?
Sí, señor. 15 minutes.
You see that confirmation of support, the last one before the breakout?
Yes.
Lower. Yep.
Yes.
Would you consider... No. Sorry. Lower. The one before... Yep. That's it.
Okay.
If NYSE dropped there, would you consider buying it? It's a nice level.
It's a nice level. Yeah.
And it's 200 pips on my chart.
Okay. Yeah. The daily, give me 1 second. How many pips is daily toward that low? Oh, yeah. Looks sexy. Yeah. Looks appetizing. But from here is planning long term, no? For the rest of for at least like a couple days.
Man, if I get 50 plus, I'm more than happy.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's not a bad idea, man. It's not a bad idea. Yeah.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Get some machine. The 50 is right here still. This price is hesitating to deliver below that 50. This ended as a fake out. I wonder if we're gonna have that easy of a close inside that zone, so we can buy NYSE. NYSE can be a good one to try. This area here to that upper zone is 100 pips. And the target's the same. My target here for at least the New York session is the high of this area, 71. If I get really late a bullish close, and this is planning long term, a bullish close outside that area there, then we have plenty of information for that move to take place all the way to that 80, 85 today. But from here, dealing with this structure is what I don't want. That's why I don't want to be that aggressive buying that 50, buying anything here. Yeah. Yeah. I want you, I need you. Please stay. Very nice close. Okay, very nice close. Keep an eye on this one because this low will give you moves down, will give you the continuation down, or that low is the one who's gonna be respected for the NYSE, and a push is gonna happen. So you can plan sales below this area here later on if you wanna consider sales. I'm not gonna consider sales. I'm not gonna change my bias so easily here just because I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for something nice and easy for me. Healthy bullish close, brand new support. Hold on. 15-minute candles are shaping out quite nice here. And this 15 is technically what I wanted mini to mirror from this low. So price closing back in the area. 4-hour candle can easily retest the 50% of this candle here.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh yeah, sorry. I was testing the voice because I was like talking to myself for a half an hour maybe.
Oh wow.
Oh sorry.
Holy. Yeah.
So Kerwin, I just want to ask you about. I send you a chart now. The chart.
Yeah.
So I just paper trade this one. But I don't have the confidence to take it.
Yeah.
Because of the timing, because it was like at the beginning of the session.
Yeah, Fabian technically wanted to paper trade an entry a little bit higher than yours. And I told him the same. The timing is not the best time to trade there. It's the last 10 minutes of the hour. And, going to that NY Open, that is painful to try.
Okay, so it was like a good one, I think, but I regret that I didn't take it actually.
Oh, okay. If the break happens, in the bullish direction, then you have a best option, to be aggressive in the last 10 of the hour, like following the direction of London. Today pay really nice. I'm not gonna say, oh no, this didn't pay. Pay really nice. But it's a risky one. If you try something like that, counter trend in the daily, counter trend in the 4-hour candle from London, selling 10 minutes prior New York Open, it's a dangerous situation. Yeah,
yes, okay.
Very, very dangerous. Yeah. Look at the candle, Marco. The one that's gonna tell the story
Yeah.
before NYSE comes in play.
I don't like it, man.
No, you don't like buys, eh? From these lows?
No.
I'm loving the buys right now. I think it's be perfect, Marco. Jump
No,
on
because
with us.
it can go to 60 and reject. That's the problem.
I think we're gonna get a straight push.
I think
clean
so.
traffic on the left.
Especially the NYSE session. They're kind of, I don't know, unless the Fed is coming in play or Mr. Trompetas, Mr. Trump comes in play. But the NYSE can be the one who's going to deliver that volume from Friday carryover. The carryover of the order from Friday is the one that I'm looking for in the daily. But sadly, the daily now is trading below that support zone, a massive one. So 55 is no jokes. That 55 can be a pain in the ass for us. But if we do have a close inside that zone, NYSE pullback is that 55.
So you're not concerned about the 60?
No, not really. Not really. I mean, I know this is my daily, and the daily is looking like god shit now. But I know that once price, the main problem is 62, clearing that 62. But that 62 can get cleared. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Overall, you don't want to force the trade. Like if we give it a try with everything that we already know, I'm not gonna consider like a gambling trade by any means. No. A close, pullback, breakout, or even a NYSE candle close. If it's an NYSE bullish close, I'm gonna be a breakout trader on top of that NYSE high. Yeah. But that's my best bet. I've been waiting for two bullish candles. A pullback and the breakout. Hopefully this is not the candle that delivered in one shot to that 60 and then I have no room to trade. Because the worst thing I can try here is being breakout trader with any candle here, risking 40, 50 pips in volume there. No. But this candle don't have a bottom wick. And if that candle stay like this, more than likely NYSE is going to try to retest this little zone in here. And from here, move up. So that's the one I'm going to look for. Something like this, for example, you have an idea. And the target is the same. The target is this area here. I've been sitting on my hands because I want to see something nice to trade. NYSE could be a massive blast. Yes, correct. All we need is that NYSE to create a little pullback. And then we try. Pull back a little bit, baby. Pull back a little bit. Pull back a little bit. Pull back. Little pullback, baby. Man, don't tell me you're gonna beat no bottom wick again, mommy. No FOMO, man. If we pull back, I'm gonna take it. No, don't do it. Jeez. Wow. Okay. 27. It's 32 pips in a stop loss there. Okay. I'm still gonna consider it, but I need the pullback there. Once the break happen, I'm gonna go for it. I'm not gonna raise more than the 54 here. For the sake of simplicity. That's more than enough. Wish me. No. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. At the break of that high, I'm gonna jump on it. Retest the low first. Retest the low. Wish me. Break the high. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Just create a little tiny TT there to that 55. Okay. I'm about to jump on it, my childrens. At the break of that high, I'm gonna go for it. More than likely, the risk is gonna be like 26 pips. Yeah, gonna let you know the exact stop loss there. Wish me luck. Hermanos. Wish me luck. So only two things will happen here. This gonna be the breakout, or this gonna be the fake out. Yeah. Yeah, keep on pushing now. That retest is done. So 55, retest was done. I'm gonna risk, give me 1 second, let me have my stop loss. Yeah, stop loss is gonna be 54.3. 54.3, no more than that. That's perfectly fine. 54.3. I want you, I need you, oh God. Push. Because the NYSE can be a 50 pip push. 50.75. You see how she's hesitating and trying to break that low again? That's no bueno. But I'm still gonna hold. This one, I'm gonna let it go and hit the stop loss entirely. I'm not gonna be able to manage this position. Yeah. And this is more than likely, this is my last bullet for the day. Break the high now. You see that resistance candle? We need the 1 minute. Don't look at the 1 minute, first of all. But if you see that resistance candle, once that resistance candle low is not being respected, it's because price is gonna stop me out. Yeah. The best thing can happen here for me is this current 1 minute to break the high and push heavy. Because that's the retest, the last retest to that 55.5. So go, go, go. Go, go, go. Take me to church and I worship like a dog. Okay. I'm gonna reduce the stop loss to the low of that candle there. Now for this stop loss is gonna be 54.8. Yeah, 54.8. The low of this candle here. I'm not gonna be risking more than that, especially in the last 2 minutes, especially with the new 5-minute candle coming in play. Either we have the momentum or nothing. This candle needs to break its own high and respect the low. This candle breaking its own low from now on is gonna be a fake out, and I don't wanna be part of that fake out. Push, push, push. Querido Kerwin, good luck. My runner soul with you. 3360 full TP. See you tomorrow. Take care, mini banks. Thanks for the good wishes, hermano. Here comes the push. If we have volume, we're gonna push now. This candle can take us to the 61. It's not much. It's roughly 40 pips there. Yep. Yep. Now runner is covering the small loss from the managed trade. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Well done. Keep on pushing. 8 seconds? Yeah, 8 seconds. So pullbacks, in total honesty, we don't need heavy pullbacks here. This candle is closing above that previous breakout candle, the breakout candle high. So we need to see healthy momentum playing out. Yeah. Pullbacks, I don't think a major pullback can happen here. Yeah. Yeah. Push, push, push. Push. Give me a 1 minute going to that 59.75 at least. First 1 minute. Come on. You can do it. It's NYSE breakout high, so it can be a pretty decent push. Come on. Don't fake out. Just push. I have a kind of a really nice candle sitting right there at the 63.30. 63.30. That can be my target. That can be my target. 7654, and price is roughly to my entry point. If this candle, the next candle, break that 56 flat, I'm gonna consider from now on to close 50% of this position if price is breaking that 56 flat. Yeah. This little zone in here, that's the previous support. So if this is a valid fake out, price can pull back this area here and then push. But if this is a real momentum, the second 1 minute candle will need to break this the previous 1 minute high. Push, push, push. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Can you give me 50 pips, mi amor? I only need 50. Don't be shy. 50. 50, 50, 50. Vamos. It's hesitating to break that high.
I'm closing 50 just in case. You know.
You're closing 50 now? Man,
yeah.
I'm only.
For you guys to go up.
Okay. Yeah, I'm only. As right now, 3 pips in profit is not much. It's nothing. So for me, it's not worth it to close anything here. I'd rather survive the pullback and risk the low of NYSE for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
If the carryover for the Friday session is there, NYSE is the answer to my prayers,
That's right.
I'm trading near to the opening of the daily. That's the only problem. And trading with the NYSE near to the daily opening is finding a lot of momentum or a lot of cash out. So for me, it's black or white, plain and simple. But I know that Friday candle can be my best bet. Friday candle, London candle, the 50 being rejected, not trading on top of that 55 can give me 65 for the session at least. Vamos, you know what? This thing is not delivering as I want. I'm gonna reduce risk in here. I went with the full risk on this. No full margin, don't get me wrong, but entire bullet there. So I'm gonna close 50% here. Yeah. That way market can move. I close 50%. I'm not gonna take a big loss in here. I'm gonna leave it there. I know my broker now, they know that I close something, so they're gonna be able to deliver to that 65. All right. You're gonna see.
The hesitation is next level, man.
Yeah, it's too much, no? Usually you have the breakout from the NYSE session, it's gonna be a blast. And this candle is trading in the last 2 minutes, so I don't want to see a last-minute fuckery candle here going back to retest the NYSE low.
Yeah.
I was expecting more, I was expecting more volume for this little breakout. They may be waiting on the last minute. But for me, since I read price action, it's black or white. So if price is not moving, what is my best bet? Manage your position, reduce risk, and let it breathe. Even if price goes to that 65, it's not going to be a huge win at this point. So it don't matter. Gap is 3361.2 on futures. So that means we're going to that 61?
No, right now we are at 65.4.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's hesitating a lot, this move. Look, I'm going to make it easy for price to stop me out. Give me 1 second. I'm going to move it to the low of the candle there. Give me 1 second. 10 pips. Roughly there. 56 is more than enough. Yeah. 56, hermanos. That's my gift to the market. This thing is hesitating too much, so if it doesn't pay like this, I don't like it. I don't want it. Baby girl. Why baby girl is hesitating too much to deliver, hermanos? It's because somebody's selling this zone? Is convincing somebody to sell?
For me, it's right at London low. I don't know why, but my London low is right there.
Yeah. So from the
66.
From the previous position, if I get hit, I'll be taking like a 6 pip loss from the entire position.
That's nothing, bro.
That's nothing. That's peanuts. That's peanuts. But if it doesn't pay like this, I don't like the trade. It's hesitating too much. I'd be surprised if they deliver on the next candle, because it's the 15-minute candle, the one that is coming. The price can sit in this area here, convincing sellers, convincing buyers, and then the 15-minute candle, the last 15 of the hourly candle is the one that delivers. But I don't have any business, in this area to be a breakout trader. Yeah, that the 5-minute candle from NYSE is looking fishy, really small in volume compared to the one that I wanted to see. I wanted to see like at least a 50 pip candle here. Yeah. And I hope I don't lose you.
Okay, after this pullback, if you manage to break the high, would you consider
you cannot sell the pullback?
No.
Oh, I thought that you said
if you break the high, would you add the risk back?
No, because I'm trading in that silly zone of that 55 to 60. So that 60 can be a reaction point. I wanted to see a healthy close on that 60 with the NYSE session. I know that NYSE can give me 50, 75. Not that I want to sell this area here, but I know that if they fake out that NYSE last minute in the last 10 minutes of this current hour, A bearish close below that 55 is going to go back to the low of that 4-hour candle to retest the 4-hour candle low. Yeah. But it's hesitating. Bro, I'm sitting here on a 6 pips profits. Nothing, bro. Nothing is going on. It's silly. It's no move at all. Yeah. Maybe they're waiting on me to close the position, you know. Yeah.
I know as soon as we close, it's better going to push.
I know. I hate to, you know, sit in a trade 10 minutes not doing anything there. No. If I wait so long, it's because it's when the high probability happens and it's when the more volume show up. But this NYSE is silly, bro. Literally silly.
Damn it.
Yeah.
Took me out.
Yeah, it's about to. The spread is, once the spread opens, it's going to take me out. Yeah.
Don't tell me you're
right there.
push
Stop me out. Yeah, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's hesitating too much. But you'd rather take a loss like this than risking 10, 20 pips extra there. No.
Yeah. Doesn't make sense.
Yeah. Doesn't make sense. And this zone in here is a hell of a zone. So, whatever. Yeah.
And look at that 1 minute. Fucking. I can't believe it.
I know. But then you take a buy, like revenge trading here. It's going to go down again. It's going to stop the up before you see a healthy move. It's insane, bro. Like that hesitation, I didn't like it at all. For me, taking a loss like 10 pips in that run or whatever, that's nothing, you know. I'd rather take that silly loss than risking more than that.
Leave it alone.
Yeah, leave it alone. We try something later on. Or tomorrow, in any case. If anything.
I'm still holding it.
Okay.
There you go. No
when it came back down, when it came back down, I actually added more position.
Ooh.
Yeah. Now we just see whether it's gonna kill me or it's just gonna make me a little happy right now.
I see.
It looks good on 1 minute, but 5 minutes needs to close bullish, right?
Yeah. But the whole damn thing, the weight is just crazy, man.
It drains my energy very quickly.
Yeah.
Me too.
I hated it, you know?
Yeah.
I don't like to sit and look at the freaking candle going up and down.
Yeah. Same happens to me.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That bearish is fishy, man. Fuck.
I hate to see a bearish candle like this, and then in a candle, first thing is weak feeling that. Yeah. So not worth it. And the range is ugly. That's why here being breakout trader, you either find enough volume or don't trade. Don't take it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna do something stupid, right? Because the 50-minute candle already closed. You can try to be breakout trader on top of that 5-minute candle high, and then your stop loss don't need to be more than this area here. 20 pips stop loss there.
Yeah, if you break that high, it's good, isn't it?
If you break that high, you can test your luck. Yeah. Yeah. So I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. If Reza was here, Reza would love to buy the low of that NYSE for the classic fake out from the NYSE low. But the zone that we're trading here is a nasty one, so not worth it.
The problem is if we break that NYSE low, we may go lower to retest that support confirmation.
Yeah.
With no bottom wick, you know, that 50, how much is it? 53, is it?
Yeah.
54,
54.
52.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever.
I may try.
Oh, yeah? You're gonna try now?
Yeah.
Oh, good luck.
Last 2 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Hopefully.
Good luck, hermano.
If it breaks the high.
15-minute candle. Yeah, it's looking good. At least if you want to target the 63.
My one just broke the high on future. Is a little bit wild.
Oh yeah? It's not moving here. Maybe future is teasing you to go for buys.
Exactly. That looks like it. Yeah. Look at that.
But the thing is, you don't pay a spread with the futures, no?
It's 0.2.
Oh yeah? I thought the future didn't pay a spread.
No, it's 0.2. It's little to none, honestly. Okay. 0.1, 0.2.
Okay.
It's basically nothing.
Bearish close on that 1 minute.
Yeah, that was fishy, man. That was fishy. This is very, very known behavior, right?
Yeah.
Breaking the high first.
Yeah.
And then rejecting like a fake out. You can go down easily.
Yeah. I don't want to tease you to enter in the last 10 minutes of the hourly, man, for breakout. But if you wanted to paper trade this thing, like having a buy, you have a reaction on the 1 minute. I'm currently watching the 1 minute. You have a reaction here, right? If you want to have a paper trade or you want to test the waters in the last 10 minutes or in the current five, let me see how many pips you need to risk. 25. It's not that bad considering that you can take a clean shot to this candle here, because this whole volume can easily get mirrored. Yeah, that's a roughly 35 pips. If you want to give it a try, give it a try. Where is the last 10 minutes? The last 2 minutes? Oh, it's right now already.
Yeah, right now, yeah.
Oh, okay. So yeah, looks Gucci, brother. Yeah. And the worst case scenario is just to have a quick little push and then a new 1 minute closing below that resistance. So you can say, well, if I don't get the move that I want, I enter there and I see a new 1 minute that close below this area here, I can close on my position with a 17 pip loss, let's say.
Yeah.
But this can be a quickie. And the good thing in here is, like, if you manage to get in any move in here and you can mirror that volume, like, holy fuck. Holy fuck, I'm crazy, man. Holy fuck.
I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. No fucking around.
No, you're savage, bro.
Yeah, I'm going to join you soon. Hopefully I'm not going to jinx it for you.
No, don't worry.
Don't touch it, Marco, because then you're going to... Yeah. No, but if Ethan sent the picture now, that means sales are going to take place. He wants you to...
I'm not going to jinx it for Ethan.
He wants you to buy so he can sell now.
No, let's wait.
Little 1 minute pullback. Man, being a breakout trader in the last 10 minutes, if it's in the direction of the daily, it can be rewarding, to be honest. At least paper trade, Mark. I mean, guys, you can paper trade that thing. Yeah, the 15-minute candle is looking good. 30-minute candle is looking appetizing. Yeah, it's about to break that rejection candle. Ethan considers jinx it in his jinx entry straight. Yeah. Yeah, okay. The break of that high can be a quick 35 pip push. 35 pip push. To be more optimistic, is this candle closing above that 65? The current hourly candle. I wonder if we're gonna have enough volume at 10 a.m. or 10:10 for that continuation. You think we can find enough momentum at 10 a.m., hermano?
I think if we manage to close above 60 or 62 by 10 a.m., the new hourly gonna push, you know, straight.
Yeah, let's say we don't have this kind of information, right? Let's say we don't have this kind of information. We technically have a clean traffic to the upside. Clean traffic. Yeah. So
the only problem is the key level, bro.
Mm-hmm.
The key level is there.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's the only problem, hermano. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I would love to try again, buys, but no, not right now. Yeah. Not right now. 64.
So basically, we dropped like 300 pips from those highs.
Yeah.
And if we get the 50% pullback, they're going to be exactly 60. 60 or 61.
Yeah, but for the sake of simplicity, this is your daily. In here one that looks different, but that's your daily, let's say. And in total honesty, this can be an easy sailing for the rest of the day. Like not planning to sell the 50% of that zone. I don't like the idea.
I don't want to sell it.
Yeah.
I want to see this not to be respected.
Ah, okay. Like a bullish close on top of that zone.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Look, another silly setup. Technically in the last 10 minutes, bro. Let's paper trade this with a how many pips we need? The previous stop loss that we were using. Once that candle closed and the pullback happened, this one right here, that last low. Holy fuck, it's too much. It's too much. Let's see if this is a high volume candle, the one that is gonna deliver in the last 5. Only 2 things will happen here. This candle is gonna close bullish, healthy, little 1 minute pullback, and the second 1 minute push. That's the one we're gonna paper trade. To paper trade this, the quickie is the previous breakout. That's it. This little is on 64. Yeah. Let's paper trade that 64. All we need is this candle closing bullish, a new candle pulling back, and look at this candle. This candle is retesting now that zone, so that's even better. Because once the retest is done, price don't need to come back to that low. If that candle close bullish in the next 17 seconds, that means that the damage is done, and then you can be breakout trader on top of that candle there. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4. It's bearish close. That's yeah, it's bearish close. Can still give you that, but nah, not worth it. Because now the stop loss is gonna be huge for that little breakout. Nothing, man. It's pure god shit here. It's not worth it. That that candle there last minute needed to close bullish. Yeah. It's sad, but this freaking thing stood here for 5 hours, bro. And that's silly ass range. And that's the worst thing that can happen here. For price to get stuck in this silly ass range for 5 hours again. But this area here looking more like a fake out. The moment this candle closes above. Ay. Healthy close. A 30-minute candle is weird because you have multiple candles here ranging. 15 minutes. It's appetizing still. 5 minutes. Meh. It's not looking so promising. Not so promising, my brothers. That's a 15 pips. It's a really ugly range.
Yeah, nothing going on right now.
Nothing, hermano.
Messing around.
Yeah, just messing. This is messing. will sell 60. Ah, okay. Can sell 60, okay. Okay. I want you, I need you, hold on. 17 seconds left for this thing to retest that NYSE low and fake out that NYSE low. Fuck my life, mate. Sadly, the time is not there for me to trade right now. To be a hero buying that NYSE low and risking 7 pips or something. Hi, Kerwin, thanks for today. We need a day, my life. Kerwin, I should blow on YouTube. Oh, yeah, sounds good. Cap on 1 minute down. Let me see. Yep. That's true.
It looks like a second batch is coming up.
Yeah. Yep. And what the Fed is saying, market, well, of the G2, precious gold steady after hitting 3-week high, whatever use treasury 30 years. Not much going on fundamentally. Not much going on fundamentally, hermanos. The worst thing that can happen here is this price staying in this silly ass range until tomorrow. Because the 55 is a nasty level. Can be full of rejection, full of fake outs. And as right now, this is no man's land. When you have like a healthy momentum, let's say, not in the range, don't get me wrong, but for future reference, once you have a resistance confirmation in a trending market, this is a classic setup. Price pull back last 10 minutes, in the first 5 minutes of the 4 hour and the hourly candle, whatever, price break the high and it's going north. In this case, we have a massive range. So this is not for us to consider in the range. But just, when you map out your chart, this is a classic one. Last 10 minutes pullback, the first 5 minutes, create support, break the high of that confirmation resistance high, and push. And here, for example, for a breakout, this is not a good idea. Like to go short after the pullback is done, is not a good idea because the hourly candle just starting, and the previous hourly candle created that bullish close. So this is technically a no to trade. Wherever you see it, there's no reason for you to trade anything here. Yeah. Puta, el café se me enfrió. Coffee got cold. La. Yeah.
No hace nada, ¿eh?
Nada, está metido ahí en ese 55. No quiere irse a ningún lado. Ese 55 no lo va a dejar ir a ningún lado.
Más tarde ya. Ya es por la hora aquella.
Probablemente.
Todo mierda.
Pura caquita. Trading around that 55 is a no, man. No bueno, hermanos. No bueno.
Le daré tiempo. Si cierra luego el H4 Bully, lo compro, como te he dicho.
Sí.
Y lo puedo dejar, ¿sabes? Hasta más tarde, hasta la noche.
Ya.
Porque ese 350 nos tiene que hacer de soporte y así ya empezamos a crear soporte ya no tendríamos que volver.
Exacto. Pero no sé, mañana.
Y
Mañana nos pudiera dar mejor movimiento. Hoy es porque el rango está súper feo. The range is really ugly today. To try something, you know. I can't. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Last 2 minutes and yeah. Yeah, right here. That's fair enough drop. And in the last 2 minutes, you need to pull back and close inside the range if this is really the fake out for that zone. But for the time being, it's not worth it to trade it. Yeah. You'd rather wait for healthy information. Yeah. You have the 52. 52. 10-10. Man, if the 10-10 can give you a close below that 50, maybe. Last 5 minutes, gap just closed. Now it's great time to look for buys. Nah, man, I don't know. I don't know, hermanos. As long as respect the hourly. Well, yes, if respecting the hourly, yeah. You can try your luck buying the 50.5, risking 49. Risking 49. 50.5, risking 49 because this 40, 48, 49 is the last resistance. Man, I have one bullet. Eh? What if? What if we try this bullet?
Where is your 30-minute open or hourly open?
The hourly candle open is roughly that 50.
50, eh?
Yeah. Let's try something stupid. Huh? You guys want to try something stupid with me?
The only problem I have is it's already been retested. So if you're going down again, I don't know if it's going to reject or it's going to clear that volume.
Okay. Because I can do something stupid, being very aggressive here, buying the kilo 50, the 60, and risking this low. Yeah. Let's do.
Okay, bro.
Let's do it. I'm gonna do it. You know, fuck it. You know, the previous trade I managed my risk. Yeah.
What's the worst thing can happen? We lose like 20 pips. That's it.
Getting stopped out. Yeah. That's the worst thing that can happen.
It's only Monday, you know. You got the whole week to recover.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go. No, I'm gonna go proper risk. The stop loss is pretty tight. Yeah. As long as it comes with low, man, don't push now, perra.
I'm already in, Kerwin. I'm 21 pips in profit.
Oh, yeah. Where is my signal, bro?
I'm sorry. I was muted when I said I'm in.
Oh, man. Wow.
Good luck. Man. Yeah, we had a confirmation on 1 minute, right?
Yeah.
Support confirmation.
I think on futures, I bought the 60 on futures.
Yeah, that's the support confirmation, isn't it?
Yep, on the left, yep.
Yeah.
60, okay. And now she's not gonna come to the entry point?
Nah.
Why? Why? So much perra, bro.
Man, someone is listening to us, honestly.
Yeah, for real, mate.
Look at that candle, no bottom wick, just straight push.
Still don't know where Ethan's at. Oh, there he is.
Probably selling it again from the top, you know.
Bro, come on, baby. No, I already left the station, mate. I already left the station. I wanted to see at least that first 1 minute to break the load, going to that 50 there. Yeah, to target at least this area here and that confirmation resistance high. What Whatever, man. This perra's gonna continue marinando here. Marinando, bro. What in the world? And now she's gonna break the high in the last 2 minutes. God damn it.
I want this 10-10, Kerwin. Sorry, but I want this 10-10 to just go straight up.
Yeah. That's the one as well. You know, based off timing, the 10-10 support, like this candle close support, the 10-10 is the one who can give us the continuation for the daily. Let me remove this line over here so she's not getting scared of closing outside that area. This is a previous support, I know. You know. So that's all right. Yeah. So I hope we have a healthy push here. The daily is looking nasty, man. The daily is no man's land for real. Yeah. No. You know what? I'm gonna paper trade this with real money. I'm not gonna go the entire risk. Yeah. I don't wanna deal with this freaking resistance zone, hermanos. The TP for this thing in here made sense to that confirmation resistance high. So if this candle close bullish back inside that zone, I'm gonna test the waters. But I'm gonna go low risk. It's gonna be just not to, not to make a huge win, whatever. Just to let it breathe good enough. Yeah.
Marco, did you tell Kerwin where the futures price is at right now?
Yeah, I did already.
Like how it's way below where it's at right there? Yeah, it's super weird.
Yeah.
Everything here is huge stop loss though. A stop loss is for the weeks, according to it.
That is correct.
Yeah.
There he is.
Okay. The fake is gonna be completed. That candle body closing above this body is a good one to consider to get the confirmation. Now, when the close happen is one thing. What you need next is the break of that candle high. Yeah. Push. Healthy bullish close. Or it's gonna be a just got shit behavior there. Come on. Push. Okay. Close is not that promising. A little bit. It's not that promising. I need a 1 minute pullback now. Yeah. And this is just relying on the 10-10. Because that's the one that can give me more continuation up. Yeah. Support. I want you, I need. And it's gonna be like with the 1 minute. Not gonna be a huge stop loss there. Once the 1 minute create the low, that's gonna be my stop loss. Yeah. 30 seconds. Hopefully she stays a little bit higher than this. Push a little bit more, Chiquisha. Push a little bit more. Give me a bullish close up of that 55 so we can target 63. Okay. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4. You see this kind of stop loss? That's gonna be my stop loss. And it's gonna be low risk just to test the waters. Okay. That bearish close. Okay. From now on, at the break of that high, this low in here is gonna be my stop loss. Yeah. You cannot break more than that for real. Are you trying to go for that 50, baby? This low is 30 pips. Yeah, but still trading below the daily low. So all this zone in here can become fake out zone. I'm too optimistic for the buys, bro. I don't know. I still believe in buys. I still believe in baby girl that can give me a good setup up. Hermanos, last 8 seconds. If this can establish a brand new low, we call it a day. And then we don't trade to the upside anymore. Push. Give me my entry. And once the entry is there, my stop loss gonna be the 63. 53, I'm sorry. and target 63. Come on, baby. Come on. Vamos. Vamos. Push. Push, push. Give me my entry, chiquisha. Yeah, 54 flat. 54 flat. 32, 50, 33, 54 flat. That can be the stop loss. Once the order is in. Yeah. So get ready, my childrens. We have roughly 2 more minutes for that breakout to happen. Vamos. Support. Brand new 1 minute. Come on. And I'm gonna let you know in about 10 seconds if this idea makes sense or nothing. This kind of break that 53 flat again, this idea don't make sense. And this idea is not making. Let's see. Let's see. Are you gonna reject that 53 or no? If it's breaking that 53, don't make sense. Nope. This idea don't make sense, hermanos. Don't make sense. Once you have this kind of reaction, this reaction on that 1 minute there, at the break of that high, you can read the low. But if that candle is breaking that reaction again, can go to finally pick the volume at 50, and based off the timing, with the 50-minute candle, I'm not gonna test my lock in here on that 50.6, for example. No. No. This can easily end as a fake move up. Yeah. That 50-minute candle closing strong below this area, shit, that can go heavy to the downside again. So no reason for me to be the hero of the session buying that 50.6. Yeah. I work based off the momentum in the market, and there's no momentum near to the upside or the downside. So nothing. Nothing. Tomorrow's gonna be a better day. Yeah, look at that 50-minute candle now. It's not worth it.
This thing is going to make a move in like the last 2 minutes of the hourly candle or something.
You'd think so.
Just something crazy like that.
Yeah. We'll see. But as right now, it's looking more like it's gonna retest that daily low again. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. Let's call it a day. This shit is not looking good.
My goal is drain my energy today. Freaking hell.
Yeah. And I'm telling you, as right now, I don't want to get stuck in that silly range. We don't see it now. Whatever, it's part of the way the market is behaving. But I don't want to get stuck in a silly range like this one. As well, this area as well. So it's ugly as fuck. Maybe tomorrow we have a better clean move,
Yeah,
at this point,
definitely.
For me, not even sells. I don't want to consider sells, especially at the low that I'm trading here. So no.
If we really wanted to sell, we could sell just that 60, 59 and hope for the miracle to happen, to go down.
At this point, the reason I don't want to test my lock in here is because the 50-minute candle closes strong. And it's a no for me. I know that the kilo is good. It can give you an easy one to say, hey, I'm going to risk 15 pips, and I'm going to see if I can get lucky enough to have a bullish close on top of that resistance. But the bearish pressure, something will have to happen. Somebody will have to release some sort of news, and then gold will change behavior for that upside move. But as right now, you can get stuck in this silly ass range for hours and not being able to see, 60, 80 pips in profits. So it's not worth it. Yeah. So form of kilo, the 60, 50.5. Oh, this reaction here. That reaction. That's the one that can be your lucky one. But I don't know. It feels very annoying. Really annoying. Yeah. If the structure was cleaner, I would say, yeah, it's worth it that we can give it a try. Or the previous, not the current 5, but the previous 5. Remember that previous 5 that we wanted to see? Because at that point, you're expecting that the 50-minute candle is getting the liquidity and then you get more volume. But if that 50-minute candle already closed bearish, no. Can create some sort of damage. I'm up 50 pips, so gonna secure at the 50. Okay. Yeah. Not going anywhere. Holy, super boring session here. Super boring. Yeah.
Wow, look at that last 2 minutes. Pushing up. Oh, it came back. Oh, it's going up.
It push up, it go back, it go down.
Buy, sell, buy, sell.
Man, gold is crazy.
It's crazy, man.
Before I was on the way because I was running late. So I saw the chart is dropping. I said, wow, what a Monday. We're going to have a beautiful day. And all of a sudden, the volume died, just fuck
Marco showed up and this is what happens.
Yeah, exactly, man. Monday is not my day, honestly.
Yeah.
And my wife was telling me, why are you rushing? It's not your day. You're going to lose. I said, no, today is good. I see the volume.
You see? 56. At the 50.6.
Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute. Right there. Right there is our price need to reject. Yeah.
The moment of truth.
The moment of truth. Yeah.
Are we going down?
Are we
or up?
Probably sideways.
Yeah, that looks like it.
Yeah. That previous 1 minute close rejection. Okay. You have a support confirmation low here at that 49.6. Fucking hell. 49.6, hermano. 49.6. Right there. Bro, this shit is so good. That if this price clears this area here, it's gonna go for that daily low. It's gonna clear that daily low. If not, this gonna be the rejection point. Ha! But in total honesty, I don't wanna be a seller here, a breakout seller here. But it's looking good. So I should hold. See, you should hold. Antonio? Yeah, definitely.
I'm in from 33.56.50.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you can hold. This thing will clear the daily low. It's going more than likely to that 40. 45, no? 45 is technically the low of London.
My TP is 40, but
the 100 pips below London. Yeah, man. Hold it, man. You're gonna get paid in about 3 more minutes, I will say. 3 more minutes. Yeah, it's coming.
The 50 always makes me paranoid though because of the rejections.
Yeah, I like that bearish pressure there. That 1 minute grab the information, and here you had a previous support confirmation. So once price close below that area there, is going for a low of the day, and at least to fake out the low of the day, and the low of the day can be fake out by 20 pips. So this one right here, the 45, that can be your TP. What do you have here below London to that 45? That's a little bit lower than that. You can target the 43.77. That can be your target. 43.77. Yeah, it's gonna flush now. And the worst case scenario is to fake out the daily low by 20 pips and not continuing down. But if the continuation is there, you're gonna have a close below that 43, and it can make it like a sell-off, like a masivo, to complete the 400 pips for the daily. Here is when the selling being breakout, when you have more information, we have a structure there. It's not too late. It's not a bad idea. Yeah. Yeah, it's not a bad idea.
Secured 80%.
Oh, okay. So now it's gonna drop a little bit more. Based off timing, you still have 26 seconds for this candle to kiss that yellow line. Pips for the downside. But it's something, for the runners that you have, yeah. Yeah. 47, 43.77, 5, 4, 6, 3, 2, 1. And at that point, if you're holding, then you say, well, I'm gonna have a stop loss on top of this on this candle here, the candle high. And in the last 2 minutes, you need to see more momentum, Can give you a heavy candle there because it's releasing the volume from the daily low. Can give you like a 70 pip candle here. Yeah, man. Nasty. 50. So can go 70 there. And with that kind of momentum, I'm telling you, I have no balls to buy the 100 pips below London. Yeah, look at that. Right there, Antonio. Secure something extra, Antonio.
Yeah, I just did.
Yeah.
And nothing can hurt my feelings.
Yeah, nothing can hurt your feelings.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, man. Yeah. That one, man, it was a fishy one. Was a classic one.
Yeah.
That 1 minute right
there.
Yeah.
And he had so much volume.
Yeah.
It was going up and down, and then closed bearish, and the move happened.
Yeah, correct. 40 pips. And this can still continue, though. You have 24. So every candle here, that candle doesn't have a top wick. So more than likely, as soon as that candle closes, a 30-minute candle is closing in 5. So yeah, the 30-minute can still continue driving down. As long this body close below those previous bodies there. It's just that when you're counter trending the previous daily, it feels very dangerous to be the first breakout trader there. From here, 80 plus, you can still get more. And every candle should have little to no top wick. As long this candle close more than 50% in body. Yeah. Yeah, you need more than 50%. The first 1 minute, wick fill that reaction. This is not a reaction for us to buy, to do anything there. No, the first 1 minute need to pull back a little and then quick fill there. Yeah, man. Incredible. But it is what it is, hermanos. It is what it is.
Well, have a good one, everyone. Hopefully we can all get paid tomorrow.
Yes, sir. That's the idea, brother. That's the idea. Yeah. Tomorrow should be a good day. Yeah. As right now, the zone is no man's land. No man's land. Yeah.
Man, look at that pullback.
Huh?
Look at that pullback, man.
Nice pullback, bro.
Yeah.
But this shit, in total honesty, for me, is not worth it to force it. Yeah.
Fucking shit.
Look at that. Holy.
Solo está cogiendo más líquido hasta que volará.
¿Tú lo quieres ver volar?
Yo venderlo, prefiero esperarme 4 días que venderlo.
No, yo para venderlo, o sea, es difícil, no me gusta. Pero a la misma vez sabes que las compras no están ahí, man.
Sí, pero ahora mismo no hay nada tampoco, ni compra ni venta. Pero...
No. Ahí está otra vez al 50. Ese 50 es un hijo de puta. Ese 50 va a ser un dolor de cabeza. Si seguimos en ese rango, va a ser un dolor de cabeza. Aquí lo mejor es we call it a day and then we wait until tomorrow and see if we have enough volume tomorrow. Yeah.
Vete a desayunar, hermano. Si no, se te va a cortar el desarrollo.
Sí.
Vas a dejar de crecer.
Voy a dejar de crecer. Yeah, it's not worth it. Yeah.
Bro, the boys is happening right now.
Maybe because we already know that, we have to call it a day. There's no way to...
No, I'm going to take it.
Yeah?
I'm gonna take the last 2
Really?
minutes. Yeah.
Wow.
Right now.
Oh, so you're not even waiting on the pullback on the 30-minute candle?
No.
Holy.
I mean.
Holy moly, macaroni. Oh, Marco. Holy. For the sake.
Did Ethan change his voice to sound like Marco?
Maybe. Probably not. Ay, Marco, for the sake of simplicity, hermano, I hope this candle break inside that 52, brother. Yeah.
That's all because of wife. She told him he will lose today.
Yeah.
Holy. I don't think we had somebody more aggressive than Marco, no? Marco's the most aggressive. Damn, bro. So you're looking for how many pips, Marco? Like 40 or 50?
50.
50, okay, 50. 57, okay. Yeah. Damn.
That's a fake out, man. I wanted to buy that 20 pip below daily, but the volume was too much. I hesitated.
Yeah, no, with this kind of volume, I don't have any business there. Not even for the 75 below London. No.
Yeah.
Market already created a structure there. You know, for me, this is very dangerous, man. This you can do it with the first batch of orders. The price creating that structure there, I was not expecting that kind of heavy rejection. And the fake out, because not the 4-hour candle, yeah, it looks like a fake out. This is your 4-hour candle opening there. This one right here. That bullish candle there. Holy. Man. Yeah, man. Fuck. 35 seconds, hermano. And this one. The reason I want you guys to, I want you, Marco, to have a bullish close here is because for the breakout and the candle that gives the signal for the sales is this candle here. Now, if this candle, I don't know. I have no confidence to take a buy, Marco, for real. But if this body close inside, you make it lucky, mate, to have a little to no pullback.
Yeah, let's see if we get the closure. 3, 2, wow, freaking.
It's a good
Come on,
close.
push.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a good
Come on.
one. Now
No
the
pullback.
Yeah. Now the push is gonna.
Holy shit.
That's what I was telling you. If you're not gonna wait for the pullback on the 30-minute candle, you know.
Yeah.
But that's all right. The close is good. Don't get me wrong. The close is good. The 50-minute candle here is closing like a massive reaction. But that doesn't mean a new 30 is not gonna do any pullback here.
It should respect the open.
The open?
That 15. Which one was it? 5-15? Because I'm not looking at the... let me see.
This one?
Oh shit, my 15 is bearish. Your 15 is bullish, is it?
Yeah.
My one is bearish.
Oh, okay.
That's
this pullback, see that pullback there? I rather, after the close happen, I rather be aggressive buying the pullback. Like this one. Like that 1 minute. I find this more appetizing than trying to be breakout trader there or here or wherever.
Yeah, I was expecting more push, honestly.
I
was expecting to break that confirmation of resistance high.
Okay. Look, I'm gonna take another trade for you, hermano. I'm gonna try to help you out. Hope you don't mind.
Yeah, go for it, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to enter here, and I'm gonna risk that support candle low. Drop a little bit more. Honestly, drop 49.30. 49.30, a little bit more. Guys, if you're ready and drag down for the day, don't try to take this trade that I'm gonna take. Little bit more. And Marco, wish me luck. I'm in, hermano. Wish me luck. I'm in.
Good luck, brother.
I'm gonna risk 16 pips on this one. Yeah, gonna risk 16 pips. Yeah. 48.69.
And I'm gonna raise 15 pips. Stop loss 47.38. 47.38. Yeah. If this thing pays, need to pay like this. Yeah, this is the pullback to that support candle there, and I need to survive the previous breakout candle, the one that closed inside that 50 level. Yeah. So, yeah, that's okay. With this one, I'm gonna see if I can play the range in here. Push, push, push. I was not expecting this kind of pullback on the 30-minute candle, to be honest. And I wasn't expecting that heavy close on that 15 inside that zone, neither the 5. So if the 5 already created that heavy volume, my best bet is to try to buy the best price point in here. So this is gonna be it. I'm gonna stop the recording on the Zoom.
Recording stopped.
That way market can move. Push, push, push. Yeah, I like this as a last retest to that fake out zone from the 50 level. Yeah, 40 seconds left. Push. Push, push, push. And I went normal risk with this one, full risk. No half risk, no nothing. So, yeah, it's gonna be my third and last trade. And I'm doing this because the previous trade I managed to close partials along the way. But I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna end my day in a major drag down, let's say. So this can bring me back to profits. Market maker watching on YouTube. Ah, yeah. Well, if the market makers are watching on YouTube, they need to stop me out now. Gonna be easy as that. Push, push, push. Here comes the blast. A la 1. A la 2. A la 3. And it's hesitating. It's hesitating.
I'm gonna say that I close everything so market can push.
Push, push, push. I need to see. Nope, it's about to hit me out. Yeah, baby. Are you really trying to stop me out? Mate, you have no idea how close this thing is to stop loss. I'm sitting here on a 10, 9, 11
that's
pips.
crazy, man.
11 pips in drag down here. And, holy
shit.
Bro. Come on, push. You have no business clearing that 48, that's all. Come on. Yeah, vamos. And
Vamos is going to 43.
Is stopping me out. Yeah. Well, that was unfortunate. That was it for me. I know that if this stop loss is not being honored, it's because this perra is gonna cash out more. So I rather close my terminal now instead of going.
Fucking hell, man.
Yeah, it's going for that 40, hermano.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's going for that 40. So get out of that of the way. Get out the way of this page. This page is going.
It's on a demolition mode, man.
Yeah, it's going for this 40 right here. Creating too much structure. That pullback there from that 50, fake out from that 50, man. Yeah, fuck it. We'll try tomorrow. No worries. Be happy.
See you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow,
See you tomorrow.
Okay,
yeah, mate. Take care, hermano.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
All right, no problem, hermano. Don't force it. Don't